All right, we're quickly cutting across to Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, holding a press conference on the Muda case. Listen in.
All of me, allo in the entire ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರೋಲ್ ಏನು ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನನೊಂದು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗಿದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗಿ ಅವಳು ನೊಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
How is it wrong when my wife thinks she does not want unnecessary controversy and returns it? Why is it wrong?
ಹೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಶ್ಚಿಮರು ಅವರು ಈಗ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ?
If I give my resignation today, does that mean this controversy ends?
ಅನಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ?
People are asking me to resign, but will this controversy end if I resign? Also, if I have not committed any wrong, why should I resign?
ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವ್ರ ಕೇಸ್ಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಸ್ಗೂ ಬಹಳ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದೇನು ಪಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರು ಡಿನೋಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
The case of Yediyurappa and mine are two different things.
ಡಿನೋಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನಾನೇನು ಡಿನೋಟಿಫೈ.
Yediyurappa had denotified his land.
ಅಥವಾ ನಂದೇನಾದ್ರು ಆದೇಶ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಥವಾ ನಂದೇನಾದ್ರು ಪತ್ರ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಥವಾ ಮನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Is there any proof of money laundering? If there's no proof, why should I resign?
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದಂತ
I have worked with my whole sincerity and therefore I'm not going to resign because I'm not guilty. All right, that's Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah there, who's spoken to the media in a first, right after the ED booked him under PMLA. In fact, money laundering charges has been leveled against him in the Muda case by the Enforcement Directorate, and independently the Lokayukta in the state anti-corruption body in Karnataka has also initiated a probe. They've visited the land and the site which has been that was awarded to Siddaramaiah's wife. In fact, while the probe goes on, Siddaramaiah in a first speaks to the media. And here you see on the right-hand side of our screen there, BJP has put out posters mocking Siddaramaiah, saying this is U-turn Ramaiah. That he's taken a U-turn with his wife offering to return all those 14 plots that were granted to her by Muda. Now you have the BJP jumping on the criticism against Siddaramaiah and saying that he's now doing a U-turn, calling him U-turn Ramaiah. That's BJP's mocking Siddaramaiah on the right-hand side of our screen. They're putting out videos and posters mocking Siddaramaiah. We heard Siddaramaiah speak though. He just said that he is innocent and he has no role to play in the Muda case. There's no proof of money laundering. And if anyone's asking him to resign, that they're doing only out of political will and push. He is innocent, therefore will not resign. Sagai Raj, our correspondent, joining us live for more on that. Sagai, please give us more details on Siddaramaiah responding to the media questions for the first time after ED has booked him under PMLA, insists that this is political vendetta and won't resign from his post.
Talking to media, he has categorically mentioned that he will not tender his resignation, and whatever to be done, it should be done legally, and he.
We're going to try and patch Sagai's connection there, but that's Siddaramaiah there for the first. He's spoken to the media, saying that his wife has agreed to return the land, and there's nothing wrong in it. If she does not want to be unnecessarily part of a controversy like this, then what's wrong in her returning the plots? Let her do. Well, he was responding to questions about his wife writing to Muda Authority, the Mysuru Urban Development Authority, saying that she wants to return all the 14 plots that were granted to her in exchange of the plots that were taken over by Muda. She says, I'm willing to give it all up and submit to Muda all the deeds that were granted to her, establishing her ownership of that land.